I used to think that LinkedIn was for wonkas, like the Londoners would say, but LinkedIn is actually one of the best tool ever. If you want to discover about people, if you want to be more knowledgeable about the world and about the business world and the economy and human psychology, there is so much that you can discover on a LinkedIn. So every time I have a prospect or just someone that I'm curious about, I will research them on LinkedIn and I will check their company experience. How long did they stay? Do they still work there? Why did they stop, working there? What happened? I will check all of their experience and I will click on the companies that they actually started and I will go geek out, and I will go check their website. Research and knowledge and IQ is probably the number one thing in business. Knowing your shit. In other words, and LinkedIn, I used to think it was a boring tool, but once you start digging, once you start being curious about people, your brain develops patterns, and then you understand things, and then you can demonstrate those things while communicating to others, gain credibility, and gain people's trust. Um, Apart from understanding the business landscape like no other does. What other tools are there out there that will allow you how many employees a company have, and go explore every each and every one of these humans biography. Basically, work is probably 40% of what we do as human. And once you know what someone has been through, where they've worked, you can not judge but get an idea of who they are, their personality and stuff. Who are they associated with? Where are they in the world? There's a bunch of cool little datas that you can get with LinkedIn. So I used to think LinkedIn was for old people, boring professional, but a lot of people take great care of their LinkedIn profile to fill them up the right way. And once you get to dig, and by the way, maybe use Sales Nav. I have Sales Navigator so that you don't have limit. But once you get the gist of it, and once you can dig on each and every individual people and connect with them, with co-founders, for example, and then share your mindset and then connect with them, invite them to the podcast. This is all an ecosystem of thing. Everything's connecting together. So very powerful stuff that is LinkedIn.